What up, YouTube, man? We back at it. Today is Monday. We about to get back to it from running it up, man. Having fun all weekend going up. We just out last night on a boat. Shout out to everybody who caught the live. If you did not catch the live, you can still go on YouTube right now and watch it on my videos, man. Once again, we got the 2015 Lifted Chevy Silverado up for grabs right now, paired together with our 2019 ROADGLIDE special that we are going to have hopefully ASAP this week, if not next week, man. So get in and win that right now, on sale for $50. Today is going to be one of the last days. After that, it's back to $100. So take advantage of the sale while you can. But today, we got a lot of stuff to do. Really, right now, I'm about to go ahead and get the boat cleaned up, take it back to the storage and get it ready for that. And then from there, we're going to get everything else done back in the shop and whatnot. So stay tuned for that, man. We got a lot going on. We're about to make it happen. But like I said, man, we had a great weekend. I feel good, man. We're about to get back to this money today. So we're about to run it up, man. So like I said, grab y'all red kits by Drake cap if you haven't yet, man. That's going to enter you into the giveaway for the Lifted Silverado and the 2019 ROADGLIDE into the silver bullet giveaway, man. So we sliding not hiding, man. We're about to get to it and make it happen, man. You already know what's going on. We got that thing right there looking good, baby. Yes, sir, man. We're about to make it happen, man. Got this tire super low and bald, but I already ordered a lift kit for that truck. So I got a lift kit that I already have in the bale. I got to go ahead and put on. Me and my boy BUILTBYDRE gonna get to that this week. And on top of that, we just ordered some rims, man. We got some big tires and rims coming just like this. So that truck right there from Copart, the 2001, is gonna have this type of effect real soon. It's gonna look good with the new paint, new rims, and a lift kit. So basically, I ordered another tire for this one. It's gonna come this week with the rims for the blue truck. I went ahead and already replaced this one. As y'all can see, it's still right here on the street. And that one, you see the threads was showing real bad. So now both these fronts are gone. We got the new beefed up one right here. This one is looking good, man. Got this exact tire coming for the front. Now I know how these tires work. I learned you gotta buy these in twos just so the pattern can match. Because at first it was 3 to 1. Now it's gonna be 2 fronts matching, 2 rear matching. But anyway, man, we got the boat out here looking good. We got another low tire. We gotta put some air in. Yesterday was so cool, man. Another tire to put some air in. But it wasn't that bad, man. I don't even really got a vacuum, I ain't gonna lie to you. I may still do it though, because I'm gonna go ahead and wash the outside just real quick. We looking good though. Yesterday was super fun. We got the lights to work too. That's the main thing. And then I just noticed, man, like I was saying last night, I gotta tighten this up, dude. Think from the inside though. Gotta get all this stuff fixed up, man. But that's why you gotta do everything yourself, like washing it and getting it ready, because you're gonna see anything that may slip up or stand out. But like I said, man, we had a good ass day yesterday. We was sliding. We're about to get back to it today, get to work, get it cleaned up, get it to the storage, man. Y'all see it though. We sliding. Like I said again, man, make sure I enter the win for the Lifted Silverado. Got that thing juiced up, man. Everybody who entered for this truck too, like I said, we got the remote start effect. Hit the lock button twice, you hear it, you hold the top button. Yes, sir. That way you let it warm up and you still got the keys, still handle what you gotta do. The truck will warm up. But today, man, after we unload the boat, drop the boat off and clean it, we're gonna go ahead and go to the car wash and get this truck cleaned up too. As y'all can see, we got a lot of dirt on this thing, man. Is very filthy right now, but like I said, we got that new tire coming, so we're about to get it going and get it cleaned up, man. And the trailer lights is still working. That's amazing right there. Y'all don't even understand. Driving far and them trailer lights not working be hell. But we're gonna go ahead and put some air up in this tire real fast before anything. I'm gonna roll it forward a little bit and we're gonna put some air in it. Let's get to it. Yeah, so we got that gas. Get this motherfucker juiced up. Got it cleaned up now. All that dirt. But I'll see it. Literally about to slide. Put this joint up. We got it cleaned up. Air in the tires. This motherfucker back looking juiced up, man. We're making it happen. Got everything offloaded. Everything is now covered back up, looking good. All right, there we go. I gotta get me another cover, man. I strapped it up. So literally I've been ripping this cover every time I come back. It started right here and it grew more and more. So I tried to pull the cover this much so nothing could really get inside. Only got that little crack right there, but everything is back 100% cleaned up and covered up, man. That's the whole thing about it. Tighten this strap right here. There we go. Get that one strapped tight. See, this side's a little more or less, but whole thing is we got it covered, man. I cannot give a about it, but I spent my money on it, so we gotta make sure we stay good, nice and clean. But like I said, this is only temporary, man. We're about to be at what we've been working for and waiting on, so it's only a matter of time, man. You already know, anytime we come put the boat up, we gotta come check on the RV, make sure everything is safe and sound. Gotta make sure my thing is A1, man. It's about to hopefully be our last month here, so stay tuned. Y'all see it, man. Got my house on wheels right here. But let's get to the inside. Let's check it out and see what it is. Hold on. Yes, still smell good in here. Lights still on, looking good. Yes, sir, man. We getting it together, y'all. I gotta hurry and get my man's Ace Polaris together. I really need to take this up out of here so I can put it in the shop and get it going. But we gotta stay tuned because everything may change up. This could be our last month actually having a storage and having this in storage. So we may be at our peak real soon, y'all. We gonna see though, man. Like I said, I just be trying to check on my stuff, make sure everything is good. You spend so much money on this stuff, man, and you own it. It's like, if you don't do it, nobody else will. So we got to make sure everything is good, especially after it be raining and all that stuff. So that's a plus. Now, I'm not going to lie to y'all, this refrigerator is broken. It was working the first few trips, then it had just stopped working. Then the freezer stopped working, like literally right around the time I had got my new truck that I'm giving away right now. So we're about to put a whole new refrigerator in here, and then I'm going to rip the floor up like it is right here. Put a whole new flooring, and then we're gonna upgrade a couple little other things. But I didn't know nothing about this stuff until I started going on YouTube looking it up. That's what made me put the TV in here like this, just so I could swing around, just like different little stuff, man. I literally didn't have too much knowledge on any of this stuff till I reached out and started really seeing what everything was about. That's what made me put this TV in here, just because everything literally works out perfect. So that's what we got going on. Y'all see what's going on, man. We trying to get to it, make it happen. Bed's still working. That's good. I gotta check that fluid for that. But we looking good though, man. I'm about to switch these lights out right here and put some LEDs on eBay. So I'm gonna order those soon, so those can come in time by Glennis. And then I have been looking for this, man. Damn, I've been looking for this for my boat to put my GoPro on. Yes, sir, man. We got it going. Come on, man. You ain't gonna open for me? Oh, it is super heavy. Yeah, I got a gang of tools in there. Got them grease packs for the bearings. Try to stay prepared, you know. Try to stay prepared, but we sliding everything off. Water off. Off. We out, man, till the next time. Y'all see what's going on. Boy. Gotta check on this stuff, man. Gotta do what it do. Yeah, sorry, man. So we just dropped off the boat back to the storage after leaving and checking on the RV with that. So now we're about to go ahead and head back to my people's house and go wash the truck up. This thing is super dirty, man. Super dirty. So we're gonna go ahead and wash it, get it cleaned up for the week, and then we're gonna go ahead and park this joint, go to the bank and hop in the other work truck and get some stuff done, man. So stay tuned, y'all see what's going on, man. We're about to go ahead, like I said, pull up and get the truck cleaned out. Get this thing ready for one of y'all, man. So y'all better go ahead and enter the win this joint while y'all can, man, because I'm telling y'all, this is really about to be one of y'all trucks. I cannot make this up. This is really real, man. It's really about to be given away with a Harley in the back of the bed, man. All for one guy to own this joint, to be sliding just like this, man. So you already know what to do. Go ahead and get you a red Kicks by Dre cap in the description below, man. Get your entry for this thing, so when it's entered to win, you locked in and loaded. So when we go live, you up in the mix, man. So that's the last thing. You do not want to be left out and at the last minute trying to get in, man. It happens every time. So like I said, man, stay tuned. About to get in and make it count today, man. Sliding. Wait, it finally pulled up, man. My back is killing me. I need a massage, y'all. I need me a real massage, but I'm about to clean the truck up, man, and get this thing juiced up. I'm about to get this thing washed up. This thing is super dirty. About to wash all this dirt and scum off this thing. I can't wait to get that tire this week, boy. Got about 4 days left. About to have it though. Y'all see the before. Look at all that dirt. Look at all that dirt. I'll see it. This thing filthy. Yes, sir. We just cleaned the inside out. Y'all see it, man. I keep this truck real clean. I never really dog it out like that. This is the dirtiest it's literally ever been in my life, literally, since I had it. But y'all see what's going on. We got it super clean. I love this with the rear drop down for the cup holders. Like I said before, you get to watch the movies while you're driving. Then we got all the pockets and whatnot. I use mine for the straps, like I said before. We got the car straps over there, the bike straps right here. Then I like the light back there in the back when you tow in late night. You get to get that good view with that good lighting. Then we got the drop down. And then with this actual bed, it's not like the 2001. With this one, you can literally lock the actual bed, and they got the rear view camera. So that help out when I'm parking or reversing to connect to the boat or the RV or the jet ski and make it that much easier. But y'all see what's going on, man. We about to get this thing cleaned up. Like I said before, this tire is demolished, but we got a new one coming this week. So we about to have it going. Y'all see what's going on though, man. We looking good and juiced up. We about to wash it and get it right, man. Get this thing cleaned up with all this dirt. This is crazy. Like I said, man, stay tuned. We're about to get to it. Yes, sir, man. We got this thing fully cleaned up, looking juiced up, man. Got the 2015 looking good. Give y'all a 100% view. I know sometimes my views be crazy, but I have to start looking out of the camera. Hold on, let me wipe the screen lens. I have to look out of the camera as I record to help myself, but y'all see we got the rims on there beefed up, looking good. Yes, sir, man. This thing is juiced up, looking good. Make sure y'all enter to win this right now, man. You got the chance of winning this, plus a custom built Harley built by Dre for 50 bucks. You gotta go ahead and go in the description below. Get you that red Kicks by Dre cap. That's gonna be your entry to win this joint, man. Got the Lifted Silverado 1500 cleaned out with all the goodies and gadgets in this joint, ready to go. You already know what's going on, man. Like I said, we got the straps on the door. It's the way I use my stuff, man. Like I said, we got that new tire touching down this week. So we about to be going up that way. Get y'all some slow-mos real fast. So that's a wrap, man. We got this thing cleaned up, shining, looking good. Shout out to McGuire's for the armor rod, man. Go ahead and sponsor your boy, man. This is what y'all do. That McGuire's got them juiced up, looking good, shining from the interior to the armor rod on the tires, man. Y'all see it. Y'all see what's going on, man. But like I said, man, this can literally be you. Y'all see what's going on, man. This thing is about to be given away to one of the lucky subscribers who supported your boy. And just know, man, it can be you too, man. You already know what to do. If you want to win that truck in the back, plus the Harley on the back of that thing, you already know what to do. Get you a Red Kicks by Dre cap. That one cap is going to be your one entry to win that joint. Y'all see we got the juiced up, lifted up in the back, looking good, ready to go, man. That can be you, literally, man. We'll be going live real soon. As soon as we sell out, we can go ahead and put our numbers on the community page. But before we sell out, we got to get all the spots filled in. So like I said, if you want to enter to win that joint right now on sale for 50 bucks, you already know what to do. Get you a Red Kicks by Dre cap in the description below, man. Like I said, one hat, one entry. Y'all see it, man, just like that. After today is back to 100, man. So take advantage of the opportunity while you got it right now on sale, man. Yes, sir. We sliding on, man. Y'all see it.